Rodolfo Vera Quizon Sr., July 25, 1928, July 10, 2012, known professionally as Dolphy, was a Filipino comedian and actor. Widely regarded by Philippine media as the country's king of comedy, he starred in a long list of comedy films and television series over a career spanning more than 6 decades. Dolphy first gained fame portraying a witty but hapless father figure in the hit sitcom John and Marcia, and later played the resourceful widower in the long-running series Home Along Dar Isles. He received numerous honors for his work, including Lifetime Achievement Awards from Philippine Film and Television Academies. In recognition of his lifetime contributions to entertainment, he was conferred the Grand Collar of the Order of the Golden Heart GCGH, the Philippines' highest civilian honor. Rodolfo Vera Quizon was born along Calle Padre Herrera, now Pierre Herrera Street, in Tondo, Manila, on July 25, 1928. His parents were married on July 14, 1925, in Malate, Manila. His father, Melencio Espinoza Quizon, was a ship engine worker from Bulacan stationed in the Atlantic Gulf. His mother, Sala de la Rosa Vera, was a seamstress and a school teacher. He had 4 brothers and 5 sisters. Quizon began studying at the age of 6 and was enrolled in public schools. He attended Magat Salamat Elementary School and Isabelo de los Reyes Elementary School until 7th grade. For his secondary education, he studied at the Florentino Torres High School until his sophomore year. He was an average student, although his grades fluctuated. Quizon sold peanuts and watermelon seeds at movie theaters as a boy, which enabled him to watch movies for free. He was about 13 when World War II started. He did odd jobs, including shining shoes, attaching buttons at a pants factory, sorting bottles by size, working as a stevedore at the pier, trading, and driving a Kalesa. In his free time, he regularly watched stage shows at the Life Theater and the Avenue Theater. His favorite performers included the comedy duo Pugo and Togo and the dancers Benny Mac and Bayani Casimiro. Quizon started performing on stage during the Japanese occupation of the Philippines. When he turned 17, Benny Mac got him a job as a chorus dancer for a month at the Avenue Theater and subsequently the Lyric Theater. He also appeared in shows at the Orient Theater. Gale was his first stage name. During air raids, they would interrupt the show and run for the air raid shelter in the orchestra pit together with the audience. If no bombs fell and exploded, the show would resume. Personal life, Quaison never married and was public with his relationships and family. He has 18 children from 6 relationships. In his autobiography, he mentioned that he had 5 relationships before Zsa Padilla that bore children, the last being Alma Marino. Some of his children followed their father's footsteps in showbiz. Ingresita Doming's actress. They met during a stage show and had 6 children: Manuel, Salid, Rodolfo Jr., Wilfredo, Edgar, and Raul. They separated in 1963. Gloria Smith, actress. They met in 1956 and had 4 children: Mariquita, Carlos, Geraldino, and Edwin. Alice Smith, actress with screen name Pamela Ponte. They had 4 children: Ronaldo, Enrico, Madonna, and Jeffrey. Evangeline Tagalao, nurse. They met in the late 1960s while filming in a hospital and had 1 son, Rommel. Alma Marino, actress. They met in 1981 and had 1 son, Vandolph. Zsa Padilla, actress and singer. For more than 20 years, he was in a domestic partnership with Padilla, having 2 daughters, Nicole illegally adopted 1990 and Zia born 1991. Nicole is the only legitimate child of Dolphy, as the rest were born out of wedlock. Health problems and death. Dolphy died on July 10, 2012, at the age of 83, just 15 days before his 84th birthday due to multiple organ failure, secondary to complications brought on by pneumonia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and acute renal failure at Makati Medical Center. While several of Dolphy's relatives were buried at the Quaison family mausoleum in Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina, he himself was buried elsewhere at the Heritage Park in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who Is Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.